Okay, so to log into your Gmail, non Gmail platform using your student's email, if you try Chrome, Google Chrome, and it didn't work, then you try another browser. I'm using this browser is not Chrome. This one is Hi browser. Is a Follow.com. It came with the phone. This phone I'm using currently. So what you do is just type the matric number NOU, like this is the matric number I want to log into. You go to gmail.com. This is just directly gmail.com and it will show this, and then next. You can see it's already logged in here. You can see it there at the top. It's already logged in. So it just requires the password. The password in this case has to be in capital letter, and it is supposed to be exactly the matric number you used. So we enter it in capital letter. You can click on this show password here to make sure you are typing the right password. 302647 in capital letter. Remember, NOU in capital letter. So once you type it in capital letter, you can see right there. You can see here. Sorry, NOU in capital letter. So once you type it in capital letter, you click on next. Well, I know we all know that it has been hectic. Some students have been trying and it has not been working for them. It says, "Welcome to your new account. Your matric number." I hope you can see where I'm reading right there. "Welcome to your new account. Your email is this," and all that. So you scroll down, you can read those terms and conditions and then accept. At the bottom here, you click on accept. It says create a password. So this is where you now create your password, the password you like to use. So after typing the password, you press change password. And then you wait for it just a little moment. There you go. It's saying upgrade to Gmail app. I say whether I would like to leave here and go to Gmail application. But let me show you something first. You can see at the top here, it has already written National Open University of Nigeria. You are in. You have already logged in. So at the bottom here, you will also see, because you also see use web version. So if you don't want to use it on Gmail app, fine. If you want to use it on Gmail app, you will say open the Gmail app. In this case, I'm going to use the web version. There you go. So I just have like 2 emails, but that's from Google, the Gmail team. They sent these two messages. If I want to read them, I just open them. So whenever you change your password and use NOUN services, you will come here. But from time to time, you check this email. If you want to know if there's any breaking news in school, if there's any rumor or whatever, you come to your email and check if you received an email. That's the purpose of this. Now can even send you academic calendar, any changes made by the school directly to you through this email. So this email is very, very important. It's very important. Now can now contact you directly using this email. Your personal email and all that is no longer, it's still good, but at this point, it's no longer what you should be checking on. You should be checking this email all the time, at all times. At least once a week. If you feel like you are missing out of any information, you go to your personal email address and check. That's your student email. You come and check. So you can use it directly here. So if it failed, if you try it and it failed, maybe on Chrome or Firefox or maybe all these regular browsers, you can use your Follow.com browser, your phone's Follow.com browser to access it. Because there are lots of security features on Chrome and others. So that's it.